Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, The Basics of Hemophilia A. Hemophilia A is a bleeding disorder caused by a deficiency in factor VIII, a protein that helps the body form blood clots. Treatment options include replacing factor VIII and gene therapy. Newer treatments like Hemlibra can be given through outpatient care. Hemophilia A can be hereditary, passed through an X-linked gene, or acquired later in life due to immune system issues. Common symptoms include nosebleeds, bleeding of the gums/mouth, joint swelling and stiffness, bruising, and gastrointestinal/urinary bleeding. Diagnosis involves clotting factor tests and genetic testing. Treatment focuses on replacing factor VIII and preventing/controlling bleeding. Hemophilia A is a lifelong condition, so coping involves awareness of lifestyle factors, staying active, and seeking support. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.